Good morning, everyone. My name is Ahmed from grade 9. Today, our team strongly supports the motion that social media platforms are beneficial for students. Social media is not only a place for entertainment, it is also a powerful tool for learning, communication, creativity, and awareness. Students can use platforms like YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, and educating groups to learn new skills, discuss lessons, and share ideas, and stay updated with important information. When used wisely, social media helps students become more confident, more informed, and more connected with the world. Therefore, we believe as a team that social media platforms are beneficial for students.
Good morning, my fellow teacher and classmate. Today I'll be talking about how social media can be such a massive distraction for most students who are studying in college, university, etc. Then in high school too. First of all, social media can be very disruptive. It can ruin many students' futures and dreams. First of all, some students open up social media for a bit, like some of their friends send them a little nice video, funny video, something like that, but they end up watching other videos and spending hours wasting their time scrolling on slop, on unnecessary content. This is very bad because it ruins their reading habit, exam preparation, and most important, revision, so a school project and group project, and this is bad. And this makes them focus on unnecessary content instead of focus on their dreams. So that's why I believe that social media, me and my team believe that social media can disrupt and damage the student academic performance heavily.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdurrahman Muhammad from grade 8. Today I'll be talking about communication and collaboration in social media. Social media helps students communicate and work together. Students can create class groups, share homework, discuss projects, or remind each other about upcoming exams or assignments. Social media also allows students to contact teachers and classmates more quickly. This improves teamwork and makes learning more active and interesting. Therefore, social media is a useful platform for both students' communication and collaboration. Thank you.
Good morning, my folks and classmates. My name is Tariq, and I'll be talking about how social media can negatively affect students' mental health, waste precious time, and interfere with hobbies. Social media can sometimes become effective. Students may feel the need to check likes, comments, messages, and notifications again and again. This can lead to stress, anxiety, low self-confidence, and unhealthy comparison with others. Some students may feel sad when they compare their lives with the perfect-looking lives shown online. Therefore, social media can affect students' mental health negatively. Thank you for.
To conclude, social media is only beneficial for students when they use it properly. It helps them learn, communicate, collaborate, and express their creativity. The problem is not on social media itself. It never was in the first place, but how students use it. With guidance and self-control, social media can become a powerful educational tool. Thank you.